If you're looking at this right now, then that means you want to understand how LinkedIn can work out for you. So here's something that I've discovered over the last 3 months of using LinkedIn this year as an insurance adjuster. So LinkedIn is your best bet for getting any kind of jobs. Like right now, the job market sucks, especially as an insurance adjuster. We cannot find anything. A lot of these firms keep saying, oh yeah, we have something, we're gonna do something for you. But a lot of times they are not for desk work. They are mainly for field. What are some benefits that I found using LinkedIn that can help you out? So number one, you're connected to millionaires. Any millionaires out there that's on LinkedIn, they're looking for people that can help them out. Because the best way that you can make money in any field is if you find someone that is wealthy and you can help save them time and make them more money. Now, how can you get those people to look for you? Be authentic. Now, I'm not saying be authentic as you would on, say, Facebook or Twitter. I say you be authentic enough to the point to where you don't come across as a robot, because a lot of people on LinkedIn, they act like robots. It's a one big giant echo chamber. But if you can kind of break that mold and show that, okay, yeah, you know, you're not part of this echo chamber, you're not part of the system, people will have eyes on you. So what has helped me on LinkedIn was just be as authentic as I possibly could, right? So I made a post on LinkedIn earlier this week, basically saying that, oh, hey, look, I passed the New York exam. I now have my New York license ready to go. I've had a few recruiters hit me up and go, hey, Mr. Webb, you said that you have your New York license, come give me a call. And I'm like, all right, cool. Another connection I made this week, thanks to that New York post, I have someone that works in real estate roofing, and they just connected with me. They just said, hey, congratulations. We ended up talking for about an hour via DM, and then it got to the point to where we started to realize, oh, hey, you know, we actually might be a good fit for each other. And so she gave me her phone number. Now, here's something that I did that I didn't think would work, but it actually did. If you get yourself a free Calendly account and you make it so that people with resources can easily access you, that is an absolute game changer. When you create a Calendly account, you can let the people know what times you're available, and they can pick and choose what time and day they want to speak with you. Boom, right there. The third great thing about LinkedIn is you can show your skill sets on here. So what I do on LinkedIn is I showcase the fact that, all right, I work as an insurance adjuster. I write estimates. I am a video media producer. So these people, they see that I have all these skills, and I make note of this in my bio so that I can get their eyes. They say, okay, hey, this guy may have something I need. Let me connect with this dude. This guy might can help me out. And so when you showcase what you're skilled in, what you're good at, if you showcase number one and number two will come together. If you are an IA or if you are a estimate writer and you're struggling to get work or you're struggling to get clients, use LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn to the best of your ability. Heck, look for YouTube videos on LinkedIn, how to make sure you can make yourself be seen, right? Because one thing that I do on LinkedIn, I don't go off and look for these people. These people come to me. And I have these people come to me by being authentic and showcasing my skills. So try that out and see how that works out well for you. And if it has worked out well for you, leave a comment down below and talk about your results. All right, thank you for sitting up and watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video.